Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Tam Predicts. I am a psychic medium and an intuitive tarot reader. I channel messages to the help of my spirit guides, my ascended masters and my archangels. Today I'm going to do 1st August to 7th August, an overview of the situation, guidances, channel messages, whatever I can see from my tarot or anything that I can pick up from your energies. Remember, this is a general reading, might or might not resonate. I always say that not all messages are for you. So you will know the message if the message is for you or not, because you're in the situation. So take the guidance, but in the end I always say do what you think is right in your situation, and you know it well what to do and what not to do. Also always use your intuition and your gut feeling, because I always feel they're always strong. So let's start without wasting much time. And if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. I will try to go slow because a lot of people say I talk very fast, but that's the way I talk. Geminis tend to talk very fast, but I also channel messages very fast. So I do not want to leave any message, that is meant for you. And I just, my chain of thoughts is broken if I do not talk fast, but I will try to talk slower. I'm not promising that, but yes, let's start with the reading. Let's see how August 1st to 7th will be. Like I said, I'll do overview and then one card each for every day. I'll mix the messages, so whatever messages are coming, like career, health, finance, or love, or whatever, I can mix the messages. So let's start shuffling. Everybody shuffles in a different way. All readers shuffle in a different way to give messages. Internal explorer, and this card has come reversed, so you kind of exploring something internally. It's like come reversed, it's like you need to do some kind of a reflection, but August is not a time to do that. And I think July it has happened. You've reflected a lot in the situation, and you've done some thinking, and this is also not going by your gut feel. Remember when I first started, I said go by your gut feel. This is maybe in August beginning, you already done all that, all that homework of gut feeling, and something telling you do this is right or wrong. And I think right now in August you will go your way. That's the first message that I get, doing things your way, and you'll go your way. Okay, most of the cards are coming reversed. I'm going to again shuffle the cards. I do not like doing reverse readings, but I have to give a message, when there is a reversed card. Our ancient future. So this is not going back in the past. This is very much living in the present. In August is what I feel. So August beginning, it's all about the present. You making the present. It is in your hands. Is the message that I get. This is, like I said, also not listening to older people around you or anybody telling you anything. This is totally made up your mind somehow. And I also get the number 7. I just get the dice like that. And I think 7 is going to be important, and we're also doing next 7 days. So 7 is going to be an important number for you in a way. Let's see what are the other messages. So it's great. You're not living in the past. You're not living in the future. You're just living in the present somehow. Yes, journey into wholeness. Your everything that you've been thinking of will come together now. It's like all the chakras aligned. Is everything balanced? August is a lot of balancing, already balanced. So I feel July was a month where you did all your reflections, all your thinking, all your plans, and you totally aligned for August. I feel, some of you are like bring it on kind of a spirit, or bring it on kind of an energy that's coming from this kind of card, these kinds of cards. I also get the rainbow color a lot. Is it about are you a rainbow child, or do you think you belong to the rainbow family? Something to do with rainbow, with a lot of colors. Do you experiment with colors? Are you an interior decorator or something that you do experiment with very rainbow kind of colors? Dark colors is what I'm getting. I'm picking up a lot of green energy for August 1st to 7th. It's about healing your chakras. Yeah, radical expansion. So you know what to do with your life. There's an expansion probably in your business, in your thoughts, in what you need to do in the future. Everything there is kind of, if your universe is expanding, probably spiritually, intellectually. You kind of soaking in a lot of knowledge. And there goes my laptop. There's something wrong with my laptop. Sorry guys, for that. My electrical equipment is always messed up. I do not know why. I know why, but yeah, it's always messed up. So this is, I think even the laptop says yes. So there is radical expansion happening. You just taking the risk. Taking the adventure. You reading a lot. Knowing about things a lot. That's another message I get, trying to study further, trying to improve your skill. So there's a lot of knowing, there's a lot of addition, so to that. So star seed, elemental, I feel, I do not know, but I get probably light workers, or I get, rainbow family. I'm not getting a star seed here because it's come reverse. Are you breaking your connection with someone? Are you thinking you're breaking your connection is broken, or you thinking the connection is not working really well right now? Could be job, could be anything, could be family, could be loved one, some kind of a connection I feel is breaking. I told you, I feel you're a light worker. I told you it's not about a star seed, because there are little differences in all those. I do not know if you follow that or not. This is making your own ladder. Look at this, you're climbing, your spirit guides are helping you, somebody is helping you climb that ladder, somebody's actually inspiring you. Or how if you're a startup and you know someone, and they're like, we'll help you, we'll give you this much amount of money, or this loan, but somebody is helping you build your ladder. Look at this, it's a beautiful card, and I want you to see it. This is definitely uh, this is also you going to shine, you coming in your energy. You are you've been put on a track by someone, the right person you really listen to. So that's what you've been doing in July, and I think August is totally ready. I'm going to say that again. So when psychics repeat something again and again, it's like a message that needs to be told, and that's really important. It's your third eye also opening, so knowing things very well, dealing with things with a lot of clarity. You're definitely a light worker. I do not know why I'm getting connected to light workers and healers here. Probably you're listening to my channel. This is air sign. This is yeah. Look at this. These are air signs. I'm also Gemini, so I'm a Gemini. I'm an air sign. So there is a shift happening, paradigm shift happening. Look at this. This is beautiful. So you're so ready. People are helping you. All your eyes are open. Like, this is expansion. Knowing things well, doing a lot. A lot of opportunities. It's like keeping an eye on everything. It's like nothing can slip, from your hands or eyes. You are so well prepared, is what I get. And I said everything coming into alignment. This is a lot of thinking also in August, but for the right thing. Not putting your mind, or you're thinking in the wrong way, not overthinking for things that do not matter or not important. So August first week is very important for you in some way, because you're setting something which will actually cause a total shift, in things, will transform the way you work, or probably it's a love thing that's happening, or it's an equation with someone. So this is actually broadening your horizons. And look at this, look at the wings that are spread out. You kind of soaking in information, and you're really ready for August. And this is totally air signs. And I'm seeing four also quite a lot. So I feel four is also going to be an important number for you, because this was four. A card before this, I think, much before this, was four also. So I'm getting a lot of four happening. Four is also stability in relationships, a family home, a home, going back to home, someone feeling like home, to you. So I'm getting all those all. I feel August 1st to 7th, no love, no time for romance. It's like work. That's another thing that I'm picking up. It's like, I just want to work, 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 work. I'm shuffling the cards, but I do not know what this. Probably I need to take another deck, because I think this one is over. One card came out. Okay, two cards came out, but they are also reversed. Please work on your third eye chakra. I'm not going to take it reversed. You need to work on your third eye chakra, because this did not come upright. Okay, so keep your thoughts aligned. Keep everybody aligned with what you're thinking. Okay, it's like work with people, keep things aligned. And this is like all suddenly getting connected to the spiritual world, a sudden awakening, sudden awakening of expanding. Or suddenly, like, when you get up one day and you're like, I need to open an office here, or I need to do this project, or I need this also, I need more income. So this is suddenly realizing something, you need to add to your life, not add in your life. So this is adding something. Listen to the sound of the universe, because I feel you'll be so busy making your decisions. Remember, I said you're not going to listen to your gut feeling, or probably you've done doing that in July. But I would still say, please listen to your gut feeling, because you are missing the sounds of universe. So actually, universe is leading you there, but you've gotten so busy thinking in your own little world that you've forgotten that universe is also there, and it's trying to put you in a path. So if again and again you're facing challenges and you're not being able to do things smoothly, remember there's another path for you, and that's what universe is saying, that they're trying to put you on another path. So I've got a lot of messages here. Let's see what the fairy messages are for the month of August, especially for the 1st to 7th. and one card each later on for each day. Lost and found. So this is clarity totally. It's like not losing track of time, or being very clear where to go and what to do. This is totally ready. August is readiness, is what I get. First to seventh, you feel you're not lost. You know what you need to do. It's just you need to hear, you need to listen to the universe, your gut feeling, your plans, everything, coming together. That's a kind of alignment I think is great for you. So do not get, lost in temptation. Do not get tempted by things that will take your mind away or will distract you, because also you need to get away from a healthy habit, some kind of a habit, you kind of keep looking back at it. You kind of, you keep breaking that habit, but you still go back to it, and I think you're trying really hard. You've been trying really hard. It's like, you wanting to lose weight, but again you go back to eating muffins. I do not know why I said muffins or chocolate cake or whatever. So it's like, trying to say that I'm going to build muscles, or I want to do this, and suddenly going back to an older routine. So, and also that will make you feel guilty. So be very careful of what you eat, what you think. Do not go back to temptations or an unhealthy habit, like it says, because it's going to make you feel greedy. You got to overcome your temptation here. That's very important for you. 7th August. I do not know if you have alcohol, so don't have excess of it. Anything that tempts you or takes you away from the goals that you've set yourself for the beginning of August. Okay, don't lose hope. I feel in the middle, around the third or fourth, you'll be like, oh God, can I really achieve this? So don't lose hope, okay? You're on the right path, and just stay positive, is what I want to say. Things, sometimes 3 days it's going all okay. The fourth day, you might think, okay, this is not really, this cannot, I cannot do this. But do not say all that, because you need to have a very positive approach and be very optimistic, and also keep optimistic expectations. Don't I also want to say, keep realistic expectations in the first week of August, because I do not want you to set a goal that's totally unachievable, and then midweek you're like, I'm giving this up. Probably that's the temptation of giving it up, because you already set a very hard goal for yourself. Time is precious. Do not lose it. I feel this is the time of 1st to 7th, you're going to make or break something. That's what I feel. And 1st to 7th is very important for you, so don't get tempted. Also, time, don't let time slip from your hands. I think in the beginning when I was talking, I said something like, don't let things slip out of your hands. I probably could have meant time. Sorry, my throat would be going bad because I do a lot of readings and I can't talk a lot for this. Just having water so I can give you more messages. What other messages do you need to know? What other messages do you need to know? Yep, not really alone. This is the time when there'll be so many people around you. A lot of things will be happening around you. So August 1st to 7th is not a time where you will be like, leave me alone, or I do not want to be with people. I do not want to connect, because this is not going to happen, guys. You will be around a lot of people, a lot of connections. You'll be picking up a lot of energies. So stay strong. Don't let negative energies attach to you. Let's see, what are my everyday witch cards saying? You even if you think of that, leave me alone, it will not happen, because I think 1st to 7th, a lot of activity around you. A lot of hustle bustle, a lot of things happening. Yes, making your own way. Look at this, how happily. You totally know what you're going to do. I think you've already made proper plans. Like I can actually visualize, like in your diary or a paper, you've done 1st to 10th or 1st to 7th, and you like tick marked, or sorry. This is also judgment. This is also, you'll judge things very well. Okay, you'll judge situations very well. I feel your judgment is going to be really right and very high, and you'll take the right decisions. You'll go on the right path. This is you, like, I'm going there, you got to follow me, because this is people also totally believing in you. Sometimes you're leading a team, and your team members are totally believing in you, and you're so happy. You're not stressed at all, because you were so ready for this situation. This is like, I'm ready for anything. Those are the words that are coming to me again. Nobody's going to steal your ideas. Nobody's going to steal from you. I, with this card, I'm getting, nobody's going to deceive you also. You know, if somebody has told you that I'm going to work with you or I want to be with you, the person is not lying, is what I'm saying. Guys, I read my cards very differently because I just saw that, the card is saying something totally different and I'm getting this. Don't be impulsive, and I don't think you will be impulsive because this is an upright, this is a reversed card, the Fool. So you're going to be very, very careful about what you're doing. You know, you're not just going to jump off the cliff and say, hello, I'll see it later. You know what I need to do. This is a very well planned August, okay? Even if it's anything about love, you already planned out your dates, already planned out something, for you and the other person. That's what I feel. Yep. Wanting to be alone, trying to make money, reading about it. See, I told you this is writing a diary, totally planned, that I'm going to do this. This is going to happen, and you're very happy about it. You I feel you're kind of making, not reading, but making notes. And look at this woman having wine and pizza, whatever it is here. I do not know, and you like, yeah, fruits of my labor. I know what I need to do, and I'm totally planning. And this is very happy planning. This is not like stressful. This is like happily planning something ahead. This is what I get. Yes, you, whatever comes your way, you will fight. The challenges or anything, you're ready to fight. Nothing can stop you. Look at this. Even if there are many people pointing at you, these are challenges. Challenges I see. Look at this. Look at the challenges around you. Everybody's trying to stop you, but you've got a sword. You've got your wand. You've got a magic wand. You're like, I'll make my own path. No, nothing can stop me right now. This is nobody can lead you, to anything. This is you totally ready. If you're a woman listening to this, I do not think you're getting influenced by any man. You're stronger than the most important person in your life, or that special person, or anybody who influences you. You're going to surpass that energy. You're not going to kind of listen to them, is what I get. Just believe in yourself, because somewhere I think when you're starting tomorrow, you will just when you're just starting, you'll be like, can I do this? And look at this, you've got everything. It's the Magician card, which should not come up, should not come reversed. But this is, do not fear what you're doing, because first August sets the whole story, or gets the whole sets the whole momentum, for the days to come. So you got to believe in your magic, you got to believe in yourself. So that's why probably the hope card came out, but it came reversed. So believe in yourself is the message that I get. Let's see what planet cards or any house cards that are going to influence you. I've just mixed them up. Let's see. This is the astrology deck I'm using. Somebody had asked me where I got this deck from. This is astrology reading cards deck. Here it is. I do not know if you can see it, but for the person who asked me, this is the astrology reading cards deck, and it is available on Amazon. I do not know if it's available now, but you'll have to check. Sometimes they're out of stock. So let's say the second house, your assets, finances, and the things that you value. Yes. So August 1st to 7th, it matters. You're probably working hard to buy material things, your house. Like I said, home is important for you, or any other asset that gives you comfort. So that's going to be strong. Jupiter, your confidence, courage, self-belief, and luck. You see, what do you need in August? What you need in August is here. Jump, take the, you will jump, you'll take that risk, but it's a very calculated risk. It's a, why the Fool card came reversed, because you're not going to be impulsive. You're not going to get up one day and say, hey, I need to do this. Doesn't matter, I do not have the money, I do not have the plans, but I just want to do this. But this is having the money, the plans, and the courage. So everything is aligned properly. So there is self-belief. I just said belief, and you need to believe in it, and that you'll be lucky in some way. Things will go right. Even if you think it's challenging, things will still smoothen out for you. Vesta, the goddess within, your sacred spiritual center and quiet dignity. So you're pretty dignified. People respect you. Look at the power. Look at the power. I can see how powerful the woman is. Totally. This is don't mess with me kind of energy that I'm picking up. I know what I'm doing. It's like I might talk nicely or sweetly, but do not mess with me is the kind of energy that I'm getting here. And do things quietly. You do not need to announce them. You're on the right track. You'll be put on the right track, even if you feel you're not on the right track, is what I get. Let's see what the angel cards are saying. What are the angel cards saying? I'm going to pick 3 angel cards. Remember, each one of it might have a guidance. You can think of the question in your head right now. You can pause the video. I always do that with angel cards, and they're there to guide you. I'm not going to take reversed angel cards. I'm going to make them upright, even if I get a reversed card. So, angels, what do you want to say? Angels, what do you want to say? You can think of a question. You can frame the question in your mind. Unlikely. So the outcome is unlikely. So if your question was, will I break up with the person? It is unlikely. Depending on the question, will I get that job, or will will I talk to this person, or will this person call? So kind of what unlikely could be, a positive response, like to a breakup thing, that am I going to break up? It could be a negative response, but yeah, this is an answer also somewhere to your question. The other one is communicate clearly. So you're not communicating clearly, and I said I'm not going to take it reverse, but it doesn't mean it's not giving you a message. You need to communicate clearly, okay? Especially somebody who's a 9 or an 8, born on the 9th or the 8th, if the date adds to that, you got to clear the communication channel somehow. I feel you're going round in circles with someone. You're trying to explain something to someone, and again, it's back to the same thing all the time. There's something better for you. So I'm not going to take it reverse. This is a beautiful message. I want to keep the message positive. So there is something better coming for you. But wait a while. The angel, it's just that the angel said wait a while. I do not know why I get that. At the end of the deck, there's no need to worry. I get wait a while. You got to wait a while. Yeah. So maybe after 7 days, still do not lose hope is what I get. I get 7 to 10 days for something. Are you looking for an answer? 7 to 10 days. Is it anything? Love life. The flowers look so pretty. I feel somebody's going to get flowers or something for you. Or is it your birthday coming up and you're expecting flowers from someone, or are you sending flowers to someone? I get very, very pink color flowers. Look at this. They're beautiful. There's also a gift from someone to you. I don't know what kind of gift. I'm just looking for my romance angel cards. I want to give some love messages also for 1st to 7th. I'm going to take out 3 cards, okay? Not more than that. 3 cards for you guys. What are the messages for you for the month of August? Lots of messages today, isn't it? Why do I see for yourself? Was it, I saw wedding also. So I'm not going to take these. They just flew out of my hand. I'm just going to take 3 messages for the month of August, 1st to 7th. So they could be for the month of August. Seeing soulmate also quite a lot. First message, passion. Wow. A lot of love, romance, dating, gifting, flowers, chocolates, going out, dressing up for the other person. Did you buy a new dress or something, or new clothes to impress the person you're going out with? I feel that you've also bought a new perfume. Stay optimistic about your love life. Positive thinking and faith will bring you romance. So remember, unlikely, and I do not know why I said, probably was that the question in your head that will we break up? So that's unlikely. So if you stay positive, things are going to be fine. A lot of flowers I see. Are you around flowers? Are you around yellow flowers? Tall trees? A lot of marble. I also see a lot of marble around you. Look at this. I see, are you in a place that is made of marble or something, or, something closer to that? One more card. What do you want to say? What do you want to say? One more card. Let go of control issues. So I think recently you've let go of control issues, and that's why probably things are much better. So because this card has come reversed, so you understood that the person needs some space, some breathing space, some time, and you realize that somehow, And for people who were like feeling really down, and you were like, is he meant to be with me, or is she meant to be with me? Things like that in your head. Just remember that, yeah, you will be together. You do not need to worry. And I think one of you did let go of control. You were controlling the other person's life or thinking or something, and suddenly it became really bad, and you understood that you need to step back And in August you're going to enjoy it because you already stepped back from being, totally in control. You've let go of that. That's beautiful. So let's see what messages are there. I'm going to use my witch tarot cards, and this is 1st August to 7th August, a card each for each of the day. 1st August, I told you it's going to start a little low, so keep your hopes high because this is come reversed. It's like, believe in yourself, and that's going to set the mood for 1st to 7th. So swords is also a lot of Gemini energy, a lot of air energy that I'm getting here. I do not know if the cards are speaking to me, but yes. So remember, these are general guidances. So 1st August, something to do with setting things for or planning for 1st to 7th. So do not start the day with like being low on energy, or should I do this or not do this. Second is spending time with your children, meditation, balancing act. Number 5 is important. Kind of being calm and controlled totally. Learning a new skill. Are you going to learn yoga, meditating, spending time with yourself and your kids? I get a lot of family time here. August 2nd. Let's see August 3rd. What's August 3rd? August 3rd, just be careful. Do not ask for everything. You're going to burn yourself out, okay? So things might look, a little bit down on, August 3rd. But this is it's going to suddenly gain momentum, okay? Remember that. So also you're doing too many things. Here I get, trying to put too many things into motion. So just be careful, if you have million things to do, just don't do them together, plan it out properly like you've done for August. I think probably I feel like a lover complaining, that you're not spending much time with them. That's another thing that I get. So this is 3rd August, 4th August. 4th August, keep clarity in situation. Yeah, because you have 2-3 things to do which need your attention. Because remember I said August 1st to 7th is very important for you. So be clear what you're choosing, okay? Clear the energies. 4th. This is 5th. Spend a lot of spending time with friends, children. I feel news of pregnancy coming, news of something, starting something new. This is 5th. This is 5th of August. So remember I said you might feel a little down in the beginning, and to handle too many things, you might feel it's very challenging. But if you've got things planned out, it's beautiful. New beginnings, totally. This is re-energized, restarting, refreshed, feeling beautiful. Also feeling, kind of getting the news of pregnancy here. A new thing could be a new project, when I say birth of a new thing could be a project, but this is also getting together with your friends. 6th August. 6th August, if you're especially going around with somebody who's younger than you, the person is going to suddenly, you'll feel the person is suddenly being very mature about things, about the relationship or something. Or if you're the younger one in the relationship, I feel, suddenly the other person will feel that you're really, matured, or the kind of things that you're saying, that's really thought through, and, not acting impulsively, not wearing your heart on the sleeve, understanding the other person. You've got to be very understanding with the other one. 6th August. Let's see what 7th August will be like. Remember, these are general guidances, so it's not necessary or all of them will fit for you. 7th August, 7th August, 7th August, suddenly things will not change for you here. Okay, remember that. It is a little push that you need to give from your side. I think you try. This is for relationship. Okay, now I'm getting this is for relationship. You're trying to release something. It's not going to happen now. Okay. I feel you've been trying to shut the door on someone, or you've been trying to block someone, and again you unblock the person. You're trying not to talk to someone, and again you go back to the person. You got to make your decision in this also. You want to be with the person or not? Because suddenly you will tell them that it's over, and then suddenly you're back with them, or if they send you a message, you're like, okay, let's try. So stay optimistic in your love life, guys. This is a more of a love card that I'm getting here. Let me give one another important number for you guys. Yes, 6 is also coming, so I give you 4, 6 and 7. So these are the numbers for you. So that is your reading. That was a long reading, and I hope you enjoy your reading. And I hope great things happen to you. Let me see. I'm going to take out 4 cards. So, what are the other cards that I can? The third house. Your potential to learn something, is opening up. So, learn something new, like I said. Your home and the roots of your being. So, home is important in August. Remember that. And if somebody also feels like home to you, remember I said that. Your healing power, empathy, and ability to teach or learn remedies. So this is especially learning something to heal others, or this is broadening your horizon. This is learning new skills. Probably you'll teach someone, you'll heal someone, or you also have the ability to teach kids. Sagittarius energy coming in. This energy is all about power, superior confidence, enthusiasm. I said don't lose your enthusiasm, and here it is. Okay, this is good fortune. You're very much powerful. You're like an authority figure. Look at this, how beautiful the card is. So keep that energy all, or for August you need this. Okay, you need this kind of an energy where you like, I'm going to do this and I'm going to get this. Look at this. It's beautiful. I do not know, but I also got a lot of fire signs are listening to me or something. So these were your cards. Remember, like I said, all of them, messages are not meant for you. Some messages are meant for you. So do leave a comment, and I hope you have a beautiful August. And this was for August 1st to August 7th. Thank you, guys. Enjoy your day.